We're here today on this beautiful sunny day in Monkton Heathfield. Behind me is a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property, beautifully well presented inside. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you love this property just as much as we do, then please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much.